Hello everyone. Today we will learn about major landforms of the earth. Chapter 6. Okay? NCRT Classics Geography. You must have seen some of landforms feature as shown in the figure 6.1 below. You will notice that the surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. The earth has an infinite variety of landforms. Some part of the lithosphere may be rugged and some flat. These landforms are a result of two processes. You will be amazed to know that the ground you are standing on is slowly moving. Within the earth, the continuous movement is taking place. The first or the internal process leads to the upliftment and sinking of the earth's surface at several places. You can see here lake, river, tributary, plateaus, mountains, okay, basin, plains, okay, isthmus, peninsula, distributary, deltas, mouth of river, sea, hill, okay, and the straight island landforms. The second of the external process is the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the land surface. The wearing away of the earth's surface is called erosion. The surface is being lowered by the process of erosion and rebuilt by the process of deposition. These two processes are carried out by running water, ice, and wind. Broadly, we can group different landforms depending on elevation and slope as mountains, plateaus, and plains. Mountains. A mountain is any natural elevation of the earth surface. Mountains. A mountain in any natural elevation of the earth's surface, the mountain may have a small summit and a broad base. It is considerably higher than the surrounding area. Some mountains are even higher than the clouds. As you go higher, the climate becomes colder. In some mountains, there are permanently frozen rivers of ice. They are called glaciers. There are some mountains you cannot see as they are under the sea. Because of harsh climate, less people live in the mountain area since the slope are steep. Less land is available for farming. For mountain crust. Figure 6.8. 2. Sorry. Mountains may be arranged in a line and known as range. Many mountain systematic consist of a series of parallel ranges extending over hundreds of kilometers. The Himalayas, the Alps, and Andes are mountain ranges of Asia, Europe, and South America, respectively. 5.1 sorry, mountains vary in their height and shape. There are three types of mountains: fold mountains, block mountains, and the volcanic mountains. The Himalayan mountains and the Alps are young fold mountains with rugged relief and high conical peaks. The Aravalli Range in India is one of the oldest fold mountain system in the world. The range has considerably worn down due to the process of erosion. The sorry, Appalachians in North America, the Ural Mountains in Russia, figure 5.1, have rounded features and low elevation. They are very old fold mountain. Block mountain are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are termed as host and the lower blocks are called graben. The Rhine Valley and the Bosques mountain in Europe are examples of such mountain systems. Locate them on the world map in the atlas and find out some more examples of this type of landforms. Volcanic mountains are formed due to the volcanic activity. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fusiyama in Japan are examples of such mountains. Mountains are very useful. The mountains are a storehouse of water. Many rivers have their source in the glaciers. In the mountains, reservoirs are made and the water is harnessed for the use of people. Water from mountains is also used for irrigations and generation of hydroelectricity. The river valley and Terraces are ideal for cultivation of crops. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. The forests provide fuel for other shelter and other products like look at the picture of volcanic mountains, gums, resins, etc. Mountains provide an idyllic site for tourists. They visit the mountains for their scenic beauty. Several sports like paragliding, hang gliding, river rafting, and skiing are popular in the mountains. Can you name some place in the Himalayas associated with these sports? Plateaus. A plateau is an elevated flat land. It is a flat top tableland standing above the surrounding area. A plateaus may have one or more sides with steep slope. The height of plateaus often varies from few hundred meters to several thousand meters. Plateaus like mountains where may be may have one or more sides with steep slope. The height of plateaus often varies from few hundred meters to several thousand meters. Plateaus like mountains may be young or old. The Deccan Plateaus in India is one of the oldest plateaus. The East African Plateaus in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda and the Western Plateaus of Australia are other examples. The Tibet Plateaus is the highest plateau in the world with a height of 4,000 to 600 meters above the mean sea level. Plateaus are very useful because they are rich in mineral deposit. As a result, many of the mining areas in the world are located in the plateaus areas. The African plateaus is famous for gold and diamond mining. In India, huge reservoir of iron, coal, and manganese are found in the Chota Nagpur plateau. In the plateaus area, there may be several waterfalls as the river falls from a great height in India. The Hundra Falls is the Chota Nagpur plateau on the river Subarnekha, and the Jog Falls in Karnataka are examples of such waterfalls. The lava plateaus are rich in black soil that are fertile and good for cultivation. Many plateaus have scenic spots and are great attraction to tourists. Plains. Plains are large stretches of flat land. They are generally not more than 200 meters above mean sea level. Some plains are extremely level, others may be slightly rolling and un- undulating. Most of the plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. The rivers flow down the slope of mountains and erode them. They carry forward the eroded material. They deposit their load consisting of stones, sand, and silt along their courses and in their valleys. It is from these deposits that plains are formed. Generally, plains are very fertile. Constructions of transport network is easy. Thus, these plains are very thickly populated regions of the world. Some of the largest plains made by the rivers are found in Asia and North America. For example, in Asia, these plains are formed by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. In India and Ganges in China, plains are the most useful areas for human habitation. There is a great concentration of people or more flat land in available for building house as well as for cultivation. Because of fertile soil, the land is highly productive for cultivation. In India too, the Indo-Gangetic plains are the most densely populated regions of the country. Look at the picture of plains 6.6. Landforms and people. Humans have been living on different kinds of landforms in different ways. Life is difficult in mountains areas. Plains provide much better condition. It is easy to grow crops, build a house or a road in a plain than a mountain. Can you point out some difference in the way people live on different kind of landforms? Sometimes natural climates such as earthquake, volcanic eruption, storms and floods cause widespread destruction. Hug loss, huge loss of life and property takes place. By creative awareness about such incidents, we may lower the risk. Sorry, it's lower the risk. You may find out from your own surrounding in how many ways we use the land and water. Quite often, we use the land in a wasteful manner. For example, constructing house on a fertile land. Similarly, we throw garbage on land on in winter, making them dirty. We should avoid using such important gift of nature in careless manner. The available land is not only for our use, it is our duty to leave the earth's better place for future generation as well. Look at the picture. Rope Bridge, Arunachal Pradesh, a polluted river. Look at the picture. One, two, three, four. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 types of houses do you see in photograph 4 and 5? Name the water sports games shown in photograph 3, 8. Name 2 means of transport shown in photograph 1, 10. And you can see here. Look carefully at photograph number 110. Write the sentence about each of the photograph. Name the landform features shown in the photograph number 127. What appears to be main use of this land? Photograph number 9. What activities do you see in the photograph number 3689? 3689. Exercise. Answer the following question. What are the major landforms? What is the difference between a mountain and a plateau? What are the different types of mountains? How are mountains useful to man? How are plains formed? Why are the river plains thickly populated? Why are mountains thinly populated? Take the correct answer. The mountain differ from the hills in terms of glaciers are found in. The Deccan Plateaus is located in. The river Yangtze flows in. An important mountain range of Europe is fill in the blanks. Things to do. What kind of landforms are formed in your state? Based on the reading of this chapter, say how they are of use to the people. Map skill. On outline map of the world, mark the following mountain range: Himalayas, Rockies and Andes. Plateaus, Tibet. Thank you.